G'day guys, welcome to part 2 of the Cummins build, or working on the Cummins anyways. Today we're gonna work on taking off this box and taking off these rails and the headache rack and trying to paint them, see how they look in a different color. So yeah, just gonna work on that stuff for today and see how far we get. So we found out that this fuel tank is actually underneath that box, and we got a couple bolts here, or actually just one, that doesn't want to come out. So we are gonna try to lift up the fuel tank about an inch or so, and then just try to drive the truck out from underneath so it can just slide up and away from these fenders, I guess. And yeah, just gonna see if that works. Other than that, I don't know. Then we probably don't know what to do next, but we'll see. See if that works and go from there.
So new plan. Yeah, big boys.
We found out that there's a little bit of space right there, so we're gonna try this approach now.
The fucker's backwards.
Probably.
Sorry for the language there.
That's not the right blade.
But that's aluminum. Yeah. I will stand by you.
Just like that, she's loose.
Loose as a goose.
Is that the only side where the bolt? Alright. I do believe your battery is dead.
We are out of juice, boys.
I recently just charged up a new one, so we got more power, baby.
More power, baby. We're sending them viewers.
Ready?
First gotta find the stubby.
So what was that?
Ooh, that's something.
2 more on that side.
What's up? What's that?
It's another. So yeah, we thought these guys had like nuts at the other end, and we ended up finding out that it's actually just a screw bolt straight through, so they didn't have any nuts at the other end. And right now we got another 10 mil here, I believe, and then the chip loose.
Shall we try it?
And she's out.
There we go. Let's go.
Move it over there, probably. Got the toolbox off now. We're not gonna take off the tank completely because he wants to drop it off somewhere. But right now, since we cut off these bolts, we gotta find a way to get them out of here yet. And yeah.
So now we go ugga.
Since there's a couple nuts and bolts that we can't get to, we're gonna end up taking off the tank completely and then taking off the box liner so we can get to the bolts and check out the condition of the box right away as well. We decided to just use a forklift to lift the tank off there. Gotta find a chain yet to link it up. Shoes off. Next, box liner, and that should be too hard. No, this is weird. Perfecto. This is where the smell's coming from. All this old grain.
Farm truck.
Farm truck. This used to be a farm truck after it was a truck for paving and gravel crew. After that it was a farm truck for a couple of years, and that's where all this stuff is coming from. How about we just lift it up? That's not yeah, it's not coming off.
There's a lot of gravel down here. And grain and...
Doesn't look too bad though.
Okay. How do we pull it?
Oh, I thought it would unclip, but it doesn't.
How do we just pull now?
Pull back.
Oh, yes we can. What you got?
There you go.
Oh!
She's off.
Done deal. And if your dad's ever wondering where a semi full of grain stays, well, it's all on the truck.
Well, we got...
And I don't know what you're thinking, but I'm thinking different brake lights too.
Brake lights.
If she stays, different brake lights.
100%.
Something cool. Something sexy. Also, too, if it was bad.
Yeah.
Oh! Getting started.
Found this wire for the lights on headache rack. We're just gonna go the old-fashioned way and cut it, yeet, and reconnect it later.
That is correct.
So simple as that.
Oh, camera. I move it.
All right. That's one more piece off. That's how she's looking right now. Next step is, I guess, taking off these rails and working on painting them. I do believe so.
We need this gone.
We need that gone. We're gonna need a big hammer.
Oh, wait. And where's the punch?
For what?
To punch them out.
Oh.
So hello there. This is my truck? Yeah. Don't buy an old truck. Give you nothing but grief. See? Look at what he's doing. Going to town on a truck. My truck. Settle down, Henry.
It's not gonna work. That is what we need to get out.
Focus.
Oh, that close? You get socket. When I get ideas, it's usually good. I think so anyways.
That's what he thinks. Commitment is real.
Yeah, what's that? All right. That's not supposed to happen.
I believe to think that you're just pulling the bolt through. When one doesn't work, use another one.
Voila.
I love how it's my truck, but he's the one killing it right now. Oh, that's a lot of brown shit under there. So yeah, all this stuff, it's gonna get painted black. What you think? Black? Oh, this looks naked. Ihta.
That's probably gonna be all that we're doing today. It's gonna be a shorter video. But yeah, we basically just took off the toolbox, the headache rack, side rails, and the fuel tank. Gonna just load the fuel tank back on the box, and he's gonna bring it somewhere else. But yeah, now we're considering just leaving this stuff off there because it looks pretty good without it. Or we might still paint it black and put it back on there. Not quite sure yet. But anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time.
Have a good night.